Question: how would you report a stage 4 pressure ulcer on a patient's right heel? Answer: when reporting pressure ulcers, coders find them in the pressure ulcer category of ICD-10 CM, which begins with L89. To find the appropriate code for this scenario, the coder could follow the process below. The fourth character of the code represents anatomic location, which in this case is the heel L89.6, pressure ulcer of heel. The fifth character gives us the laterality, which in this case is right L89.61, pressure ulcer of right heel. The sixth character gives us the stage of the ulcer, which in this case is stage 4. L89.614, pressure ulcer of right heel, stage 4. Therefore, the complete code for this scenario would be L89.614, pressure ulcer of right heel, stage 4. Pressure ulcers of this stage might be covered in eschar, which is often associated with burns, but will also be seen in pressure ulcers where exudate, bile burden, debris, and other components dry and harden into an impenetrable layer.